Are you an equine business owner who works really flipping hard, but you feel like you're stuck on a treadmill? You can never see the light at the end of the tunnel. You keep thinking, if I just do this a little bit harder, if I just do this and I just do that, then business will get good and you'll feel like it's more stable, and you'll stop going from this feeling like where you're halting and nothing's happening, and then all of a sudden it bolts and then it goes back to a halt again, and you feel like your business is a bit of a wild horse. Well, good news, I have got a special gift for you, which is my free workshop, The Secrets to a Stable Business. Now, when I say stable business, I'm not talking boring. I'm just talking about saving you all that stress, that anxiety, that worry that your business isn't moving forward. And sometimes we can think, oh, I should be selling better, I should be doing marketing, and we try all these different tactics. But actually, it's not the tactics that's the problem. It's something deeper. So all you need to do is click the link below and sign up now for my Secrets to a Stable Business, my brand new workshop for 2022, and I'll see you soon.